one recipe that gets me the most excited is by far mac and cheese. So let's get right into it. In a hot pan, we'll take a little bit of butter, melt it in the pan. तो इस first stage को हम लोग English में roux बोलते हैं. Basically हम लोग white sauce बना रहे हैं. So we'll add a little bit of flour. Now to avoid any lumps, make sure you keep mixing it. And do not add more than little एक बार में. तो आप थोड़ा थोड़ा mix करते रहेंगे बीच बीच में. We're trying to make it nice, smooth and buttery in texture. Let's add a little bit more. We mix again. Just make sure that it's well crumbed so we can avoid any lumps. Next, we start adding in the milk. तो हम धीरे धीरे इस milk को add करेंगे. And the texture we're trying to achieve is basically a nice fine paste. Mix it well with the crumb. So now, since we have the perfect consistency, we'll go ahead and add some cheese. So I'm taking some processed cheese here. At the same point of time, I'm still whisking. Spread it across. Keep your whisk aside. Now we'll season it by adding some pepper and a little bit of salt. We won't add a lot of it because our cheese and butter already has salt in it. Just give it a good mix. You see the paste-like consistency? This is exactly what we need. So now that our sauce is ready, we'll go ahead and add the macaroni. I have already gone ahead and parboiled the macaroni. Now you need to understand, since we're going to keep the macaroni in the oven, you don't completely boil them because they're going to further cook. And now we'll mix it. Make sure your macaroni is very well coated with the sauce. So I have my baking tray ready. I'll just grease it a little. Well, now that my tray is well greased, I'll go ahead and spread the macaroni. Just spread it out evenly across the baking tray. Once you've spread the macaroni with the sauce on the baking tray, we'll go ahead and add the cheese on top. So I've taken some processed cheese. Just crumble it all across. And some mozzarella. And also, why we add this, it gives a very nice crisp baking on top, and that crust is absolutely delicious. So my baking tray with the mac and cheese is absolutely ready. All I have to do is just pop it in the oven. Now what I'll do is I'll set it at 180 degrees and I'll try to achieve the golden bake on top, and that's when I know it'll be ready. So my mac and cheese is ready with a beautiful crust on top. I'll take it out from the oven now. So as you can see, I've got a beautiful golden crust on top and my macaroni is ready to be served.
Today I'm going to tell you how to make a quick party snack. What I'm talking about is garlic bread. So first things first, I'm going to use a bread. You could use any bread available, but I get this beautiful French loaf called baguette. I get this in my neighborhood and I'm going to make 2 slices of this. So these are like ½ inch slices. How thinner you want it really depends on you. While I keep these aside, I'll quickly make the garlic butter. For this, I need some soft butter. To this, I'm going to add some minced garlic. Don't crush garlic. I think the minced garlic gives a really nice flavor. And some parsley. Parsley is to the Italians what coriander is to us. Give it a nice mix. The butter that I'm using is salted butter, so I'm not really going to add any more salt. So the butter is ready, so is the bread. Let's get started. Slather as much butter as you like. The more the merrier, I think. And now the second one. To make things cheesier, we need some cheese. Onto these breads, I'm going to grate some mozzarella cheese. Mozzarella, I think, it's a very versatile cheese. It goes so well with your pizzas, sandwiches, and even garlic bread. You could be as generous as you want with the cheese. There are no rules. So my oven is preheated. इसे मैं अपने oven में डालूंगी करीब 10 मिनट के लिए. 10 मिनट में ये अच्छा क्रिस्पी हो जाएगा. अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपकी garlic bread थोड़ी soft हो, bake it for a lesser time. So I'm going to bake it for 10 minutes easily on a convection mode at 200 degrees Celsius. Now that the garlic bread is in the oven, let me share a little tip with you guys. So sometimes when I'm in no mood to use the oven, what I do is I bake these on a tawa. I keep the flame of heat really low and I bake it for a long time. That way, the cheese slowly melts beautifully and the bottom of the bread is very nicely toasted. There is absolutely no difference in taste. So जब भी आपके पास oven नहीं हो, you could really make this cheesy garlic bread on the tawa itself. It's hardly been 6 minutes and it's done. As you can see, the cheese has melted. I'm just going to plate it all for myself. I'm not sharing this with anyone. So some chili flakes, not a lot of these, and some oregano. And it's ready. Cheesy garlic bread. You share it with other people or you eat it yourself. All up to you. Thank you.